Let's say I'm going to be removing the old radiator fan and swap the whole physical crank pulley like assembly. I'm putting just an electric radiator fan that'll run off a switch because bearing's fucked up and I don't feel like replacing and remanning all those fucking parts, so it'll be quick. I'm gonna get to it. Just so you guys know, that's the issue. Blown out. Nah, it's not blown out, but it's worn the fuck out. So, it looks like... very nice, very nice. But, anyways, I'm just going to be putting an electric one in, and then I don't really need that. I'll make a bracket over here where I can tighten the alternator. I need to get a new one anyway, so... And then I'll have, if you can see it, I don't know if it's very visible or not. Let's see. But anyways, it goes off that main pulley at the bottom, and I'll just have it go straight up to the right over here, straight to the alternator. And then this is for the water pump, so we'll leave that. And then that gives me a lot of room if I need to do like engine work and stuff, if I take this out. And I already redid like all the wiring. I never like covered the wiring or did any of that stuff yet, but all new gauges and stuff, so might as well just put an electric one in, you know, quick, easy, and it'll just bolt right up. So let's just get to the tear down.
Oh, you already might use it in 2 seconds. Let's see. Oh, alright, see. Metal shelf there. That's nice. That's a good try. Where's that little one? I know it sounds like really bad, but I'm most likely just gonna cut this fan assembly right there. At this fan assembly right here. Because like, I'm not doing all this work, doing all this like taking shit off just to put it back on. Because I don't like removing coolant hoses or anything. So yeah, I'm gonna cut that right there, whatever. Because I don't really need it. So I'll just run this part out right afterwards. So. I don't know if I can fit it in there. I can probably pull the fan out a bit more. Let's see. Push it through or something. No. Yeah, we'll see what I can do. It's not gonna work like that, but. Wait, where can I move it to? If I can move it, maybe I can park my own shit. Do that. It does seem to be like bolts on the inside too. Possibly I could loosen them up a bit. So. Let's see here. No. Definitely not. I mean, that'll work perfect. Let's see. I can actually cut it like on the side angle, so I'm just gonna do that. Yeah, full access right there. Boom.
Now I'm going to be able to pull this whole thing out, the shaft.